What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, it's the E36 Copart rebuild, and today we're getting ready to do some modifications to it. Actually, we're gonna do one. I don't know if you guys can tell, but back that way, some coilovers that my brother bought for this, and we're gonna switch the wheels with some other OE wheels that we have, but they're just from a different model. So you just gotta jug this thing up, take off the wheels, and see what this entails, because we've never done this before. So let's get to it. My brother bought were max speeding rods. These were the most cost-effective, budget-friendly things he could find that were new and not used on the marketplace with a bunch of rust. So I've actually never bought coilovers brand new, but these look like there's some assembly required, and we're gonna have to figure that out. But let's unpack these things and see what it's all about. So, I mean, they're nice, right? I mean, I think for what he's going for, I think these will do the job. I did have a set of these on that green car I flipped a couple months ago, and they roll pretty nice. They're kind of a little too stiff for my liking, but they're good for the budget. So they look pretty good. Let's unbox all of them and then start working on the car. All right, so as you guys can see, these are the two fronts, two backs, adjusting. Don't mind that in the background. We got two collars and then two springs, I guess, for the rear. From what I could see, the rears don't really have a spring. So I guess, I'm assuming we're gonna have to adjust that. So as these sirens get louder, I'm just gonna put you guys on time lapse and we're gonna start working on the car.
Alright guys, so just like that, suspension and wheels are done. For wheels, we ended up going with M Contours 17 by 7.5, so it's not very aggressive, and the car's also not done. Pretty much, I'm in the back, we went as low as we could. In the front is just set up right now. It's like a daily driver type vibe we'll go with. Overall, these wheels, the reason for these wheels, it gives that 90s BMW look with the nice thick lid and the classic face. So I had to get tires for these, mount it up and do an alignment. Then we're gonna hand the car over tomorrow sometime. So
don't record me.
this is what I've been doing.
You're playing the car up.
You're crying. You want to look at it? We'll do that.
Oh my god! This is no, this is not real. Pinch me. It's not real. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! And it has what? Peanut butter interior? Wait, what is this?
E36.
No, like is it stick with that?
No, it's automatic, but we can adjust that later.
Wait, how?
Remember that day I called out of work and I said I had to pick up something with Jerry?
It was this?
Yeah.
Now can I race with you guys?
I love that racing. You have your own car. I bought the I think it was 2 weekends ago when I said I was busy.
Oh my god.
I bought the wheels, I put new tires on them, I put suspension on it so it's lower a little bit. And then back here, I'll just break it to you now because you're going to end up seeing it. It was crashed in the back. And
Oh, but it's perfect. Oh my god. I have to go buy my wing now.
well, that's the thing. I want to just buy this for you so you have a platform to, if you want the wing, you could do the bumpers, the M3 bumpers, and then we could convert it to stick. So you have
David! Oh, thank you, babe. It's perfect. Oh my gosh. Wait, but it's registered?
you can drive it. I have to take it through state inspection, but you can drive it.
How?
You went inside when you called.
No, I'm saying like how?
So I was watching one on the auction for a while. This car, the build list. So there is some stuff I gotta do to it still, but for the most part it's done. I did. I fixed all the damage. I put suspension wheels. I already lowered it. You can lower it more, yeah. We can lower it more, but I bought suspension for it, so I did lower it already. And then I put the M3 wheels. These are the wheels. I kept asking you for wheels. I didn't want wheels. I wanted to know what wheels you wanted.
Are those the original wheels?
Those are M3 wheels, yeah.
Oh my god.
E36 M3 wheels. And contours.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's the green that. Is this the green that I like?
This is the green you told me you didn't like.
Oh,
And this is why I was trying to convince you that this green was nice.
This is not hunter green, right?
Oh,
Papa, this is the original green to this car?
Yeah. This is the original color. I got it detailed.
Oh my god, it's perfect.
And I couldn't find the other fog light in time.
Look at it's mint.
It is in pretty good condition overall, yeah.
Oh my god, you think they're gonna seal it?
No,
They don't seal those cars?
I don't think so. This is not. I don't think these cars really have a problem like that, but walk around, look at it.
Oh my god. But it's like all like.
It's all there.
But this is like original?
Down to the radio. Then I stole Brother Lewis's FM Bluetooth thing so I can listen to music. I've been driving this thing all week. Yeah, I've been driving this thing all week for the record. Yeah, car drives fine. I bought it from the auction in, I think it was in October. Yeah. Threw an oil light now. I gotta go add oil to it. It was crashed. This car was crashed in the back. That's why I had to fix all that. That's where I've been all this time. Whenever I tell you I'm busy, and I haven't had time to work on my truck because I've been working on this. Yesterday, when I said I had to finish a gift, the heat wasn't working. I had to do a new thermostat. It's pretty easy on this one. It's pretty easy, yeah. So, but again, I wanted you to be able to drive it right away and not have to learn to then drive it. And plus, like remember I kept telling you all the ones that I find were rusted really bad and everything. This one has some rust here and there, but for the most part, it's a complete car. Yeah. You could make it at that point. You could make it now, but I gotta go buy oil real quick. Of course you can.
But I've been talking to her. Thank you so much. You want to open your gift?
Yes, but not yet. I gotta take a picture of you with the car too.
How?
Hold on. Well, guys, there you have it. She's happy. I'm happy. This is gonna be a wrap up for the car for now. As she decides what she wants to do with it, we'll probably bring it back in and do a couple cosmetic mods to it. But there you go.